about what just happened earlier. Yeah, so this is the second video because using this software has a limited length of video that I can record. It's just 15 minutes, so the length was already exceeded. So this is my second video. As I was doing, I'm just gonna add this to the firewall. The HTTP services. Yes, HTTP. So I hope I did not do any mistake. I recognize argument. So C firewall CMD man page. Maybe I did. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to go out to this because I'm still in the website folder too. So I'm supposed to exit to that folder. I'm gonna use this to go back to sorry, I'm gonna have to go one by one. It takes time, so but anyway, it's gonna take me out. So alright, so now I'm back to the localhost. Actually, I'm gonna exit and let's just exit. So yeah, now I'm back to the localhost and Berry. So yeah, what I would do, okay. Yes, now I'm back. So I'm just gonna the argument that I was doing, so to add this to the firewall, right? So yeah, okay, what I recognized, sorry about that, the error that I made here. The service is supposed to be equal, and instead of that I just put yeah, so now it's gonna be working. Yeah, as you can see, success. Yeah, so we added that to firewall. Now we're gonna go to the next step. So the next step will be now to reload the firewall so that we make sure like this works. Okay, reload firewall. Yes. What? Oh, why do I have to like always make some mistake on this one? So instead of doing that, so basically I mistyped that command. So because I didn't, that was not a firewall command. So sorry about that. Now, yeah, you see, it's gonna work. Yeah, success. It's been reloaded. Now, since that I have done everything, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start the HTTP services. To doing that, we're gonna run this command systemctl command start http dot service. Yes, let's see. What? Unit not found. Why failed? Actually, it shouldn't be. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking like I was on this one because it's supposed to put HTTPD instead of HTTP because I'm this on CentOS. So yeah, so as you can see, it started already. So now I'm gonna go ahead and system enable the services because the services are not enabled. Enable HTTP dot service. Yes. So yeah, as you can see, it's been enabled and now it's working. Now I'm gonna reduce this and then go to my browser and show you that this is working. So now here to the browser, we're gonna be doing HTTP. Sorry about that, I don't know why this is slow. HTTP slash, and then as you remember, I just did www.website1.com, right? So you can see that this is working. this is so slow. Actually, it shouldn't be slow though. I'm gonna go ahead and open the other one also. Problem loading page, server not found. So okay, I'll try that later. Let me just try also the second one. Sorry about that. So the reason why it shows here it's not found is because I made error. It's supposed to be my website instead of website alone. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and click that. Oh no. What am I doing? So I'm just gonna open another one. Ignore that one. So I'm gonna open the second one to show you both are working. HTTP. Then my website 1.com. This is HTTP. Then here my website. I might have made some error. Let me just check up the name and continue back to it again. So the reason why the other one using the domain name was not working is because I did not edit this one, my local host. So I did not point out the IP address to the domain name. So I did that by using this code using nano etc host. So I edited that one. So I the file, and then I passed this one the IP address, and then put the domain name. So now as you can see here, let me just show you. So this is for the website 2. So I'm gonna go run for the website, the second website also, the first website actually, my.website. Now actually I'm gonna put website 1, and you can see, yeah, so as you can see, this is says website 1 and this is website 2. So those two websites, they share the same IP address and they're being hosted. So this is all for the name based hosting. So I'm gonna go for the IP based hosting as well. Is to edit the file. I'm just gonna say, now I think I have the file somewhere here. Not this one. So still this one. I will not change anything on that. Yeah, I'm gonna change this file again. So to show you. So basically this one I will be keeping intact. It's gonna be taking the same address, .20.2.16. Let's try with the 16, and then here I'm gonna be keeping this one. So basically I'm not sure whether this is gonna work because I'm not sure about the second IP address, but we can try and see. Alright, to find out, right? So let me just save this and restart the HTTP services, and let's see. So here now I'll be using the IP address that I entered instead of the other one. So here basically I'm just gonna put 16 and see if it works. Yeah, so actually it didn't work because the IP address is not correct. So let's see for this one if it's going to work, the first one. So yeah, as you can see, the first one's still working because the IP address is invalid IP address, but this one is not working. So even if I run the other one, since I have edited the file, so even if I run this one, it might not work as well. So website 2, as you can see, it's gonna run to error because I already edited the file and passed another IP address. So for that, I'm gonna just go find a good IP address on the I'm gonna check my IP addresses. I think I have another one, so I just have to let me just edit the file and try this IP address. had another IP address which is called like, just try to change that to this one. I have another IP address, another valid IP address. Okay, so I'm gonna use this on 192.168.1222.1. So this is a valid IP address, and then I'm gonna save it. Sorry about that. Q. So now that I saved this, so here what I will be, so now I'm gonna go ahead here and run it using IP address. As I told you previously, I'll be doing that. So yeah, as you can see, this is for the website one, and then I'm gonna use another, the second IP address that I used, it's 19, yeah, it's 19, yeah, this is it. So just click on it to see the website 2, it's working. So this is all for the project. So basically what I did here, I created, I installed a server, Apache server, on my local machine on Linux CentOS. So I created I made 2 websites and then host them virtually. So using name based so that they can share the same IP. And then the second thing that I did is to make 2 address IP and then host each website to the 2 IP address that I have. So as you can see here, they're successfully working. And thank you. That's all for this demo.